This is the HP wireless anti-sound mouse. On the back, it has a turning off and on switch, and its body can be opened like this, and here is the cell and the dongle of it, which can be connected to the laptop to use this mouse, and can be kept back in it and can be closed. This is a pretty good HP mouse, and it has a pretty nice accuracy also. You can buy this mouse from the link in description. Bye bye.